Hello, on today's segment, friend Bob, cut up real early. We're gonna do something. Horrible music! That shows what happens when, don't sleep during a show. So, we're gonna show you some really awesome ringtones.
What we doing here?
And if you didn't know, I'm Larry and she's Bob. She doesn't really
What
know.
we doing?
We're doing ringtones.
What are they? Oh, okay.
Okay, so the first one, okay, it's your turn. You can go first.
Okay. Okay, I'm going now. People, this is going to be awesome. Since I just woke up, you might think I'm a little cuckoo, but... Larry!
Yes, ma'am.
Stop that. Okay. You ready? If you watched the previous Bob and Larry show, you would know this saying. What? Not that one.
Honey, do you like crystal gel for your nail? It's the best thing you can have for your nail. Make it look nice. It's sparkling like diamond in the sky. Do you like crystal gel?
Now you see, when my friend Larry wakes me up, I get mad. And I want to eat her. And you see, when she plays a very non-mannerish ringtone, it makes me really mad. No! Don't me! It's the Bob.
No, I'm not done!
Oh!
I have another song that's real, that...
She's so...
Well, she's dead, so we're just saying goodbye, and it's the Bob and Larry Show!